Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys how you can install the Linux distribution called Ubuntu on your Windows PC. So without wasting further time, let's get right to it. The first thing you want to do is to navigate to your control panel, head over to your control panel, search control panel, then open it up. Then you're going to head over into programs, then programs and features, open it up. Then you're going to look for this option called turn Windows features on or off. An easier way to navigate to this option, a less stressful way to navigate to the option is you just come over to your search bar and then search for it. Turn Windows features on or off and open it up. It's going to open up. So the next thing you want to do now is to search for an option called Windows subsystem for Linux, and then I already have it checked, so you have to check yours because yours will probably not be checked. So just check it and then click OK. Once you click OK, it's going to load up some stuffs and then to load up the Linux files and some settings that you are going to probably need. Then it's going to prompt you to restart your system. I want to go ahead and restart my system now, but it's going to prompt you to restart your system, so you go ahead and restart your system. Okay guys, so once you're done restarting your system, the next thing that you want to do is to head over to your command prompt, open it up, then you enter this command bash. Okay, as you can see, it's outputting an error. It says Windows subsystem for Linux has no installed distributions. Distributions can be installed by visiting the Microsoft Store. Now you have two options here. You can either copy this link and paste it in your web browser. Copy the link, paste it in your web browser, then to take you to where you can install the Linux distributions, or better still, you can just head over to your Microsoft Store directly, open it up, wait for it to load up. Okay, open up your Microsoft Store, then search for the specific Linux distro that you want. Let's say I want to install Ubuntu. I look up Ubuntu, open it up. Then they are going to present you with different versions of Ubuntu. They have the LTS version. They have other versions of Ubuntu. So I'll just go ahead and click get. This is probably the latest version, so I'll go ahead and click get. Once you click get, it's going to start downloading. Then I'll just pause this video and then come back once it's done downloading. Okay guys, so it's finally done with downloading. So the next thing you want to do is to just open it up. Then it's going to take a few minutes to install, and you just wait for the installation process to be done. Then to install some things, some files. While it's trying to install, let's just go ahead and read about this Ubuntu distro that we're about to install. Okay, so once it's done installing, it's going to prompt you to enter your username. Now, what you want to do is um, this Ubuntu, this Ubuntu and your Windows command prompt. There are two different terminal emulators. There are two different terminals. So your command prompt, it works under Windows, and I'm sure you know that this Ubuntu works under Linux. It works for Linux. So you want to enter a username and password that is totally different from your Windows username and password. So I'll just go ahead and enter the KND as my username, then password. As you can see, password has been updated successfully, and my username has been updated successfully also. So if it shows you something like this, that means you're on the right track and you're doing everything right. So what you want to do now is you're going to let's you enter this command to list. Let's print our working directory. As you can see, our Ubuntu terminal is working very fine, quite alright. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Till next time.